Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Big Ice coin or token on your Trust wallets. And this can be done by simply using coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. All you need to do is simply by opening the page, you scroll down till where you have its addresses, where you simply click on this copy icon here. Once you've copied, you simply open up your Trust wallets. And once your Trust wallet has opened up, make sure you possess some Ethereum, or rather Ethereum coins or Ethereum related currencies. And you simply head over to your browser, scroll down till you find the Uniswap exchange, or you simply use uniswap.exchange. app.uniswap.org is the site you're going to be using in order to get to the Uniswap. And once the Uniswap has opened up, make sure your wallet is connected by using the wallet connect icon at the top right corner of the screen, which is here. And you then enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to exchange in for the Big Eyes. So you select a token, paste the contract address we just copied, paste, and Big Eyes is shown. Click on I understand, and then enter an amount of Ethereum. We're going with 0.0002 or 02, which is $3, and that's going to be giving us a good amount of the Big Eyes. And the gas fee attached is $2.92. So all in all, it's going to be about $4 or $5 worth. And you simply click on swap, confirm swap, and the Big Eyes would be directly deposited on your Trust wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy Big Eyes on Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.